Hello, good morning students, welcome back. Last week we studied about the articles. We studied about a, an and the article. Okay. Today we are going to start with new lesson. The name of our lesson is the punctuation marks. Where do we use punctuation marks? Punctuation marks are which one? There are marks which are used in the sentences. ज्यावेळेस आपण वाक्य लिहितो त्या वाक्यामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या ठिकाणी आपण काय करतो, पंक्च्युएशन मार्क्सचा वापर करतो. सो वेअर टू यूज punctuation marks that we are going to study. For second standard you have only 3 punctuation marks. How many punctuation marks do you have for the second standard? You have 3 punctuation marks. Okay, now you want to know that which punctuation marks are there for second. There is full stops. Okay, 3 punctuation marks which are there for you is full stops. Okay, question marks, full stops, question marks and commas. Okay, there are 3 types of punctuation marks which you have to use in the sentences are which? First one is full stops. Okay, there are some sentences which has full stops, there are some sentences which has question marks, and there are some sentences which has commas. Now full stop means how is full stop? Full stop is like this. Okay, question mark is how? Question mark is in this way. Okay, and commas, comma is in this way. Understood? In this way what we have studied, we are going to study about full stop, we are going to study about question mark, and we are going to study about commas. Okay, now here it is. I will just read starting sentences for you. Page number 17. Here it is. Full stops, question marks and commas are all punctuation marks. These all 3 are what? These all 3 are punctuation marks which are used in the sentence. Full stop. You can see a full stop, how it is given in the bracket, how I have written on the board. In same way, here also it is given full stop. Many sentences end with a full stop. For example, Abhay plays the piano. Full stop is always given when we complete sentence. वाक्य पूर्ण झालं की काय देतो आपण full stop देतो. Okay. Second one is question mark. प्रश्न चिन्ह in Marathi we call it. Sentences which ask a question end with the question mark. Whatever sentences, now there are WH questions. What? WHAT what? WHERE where? WHY why? HOW how? WHEN when? Okay, more WHO who? WHOM whom? These all words are question mark words. Okay, when we start with these words, any sentence when we start, कोणतंही वाक्य आपण या स्पेलिंग्सनी जर चालू केलं तर त्याला काय मिळतो शेवटी? क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, त्याला काय मिळतो शेवटी? क्वेश्चन मार्क मिळतो. सो हिअर इट इज सेंटेन्सेस विच आस्क ए क्वेश्चन. ज्यावेळेस आपण कुणाला प्रश्न विचारतो त्या सेंटेन्सला शेवटी काय असतो? क्वेश्चन मार्क असतो. Okay, whenever you will ask some questions to someone else, at that time sentence will have which symbol? Sentence will have question mark symbol. Third one is comma. A list of things, places, persons, animals, birds, books, etc. can be separated with the help of a comma. For example, Rahul, comma, Rishi, comma, Sanket and Sujal are good friends. Okay, when we speak of more than one things, correct? I like to eat apples, comma, pineapple, comma, grapes, comma, jackfruit and strawberries. Okay, ज्यावेळेस आपण एकापेक्षा जास्त वस्तूंचा उल्लेख करतो त्यावेळेस ज्यावेळेस त्या वस्तूंचे नावं लिहायचे असतात आपल्याला सेंटेन्समध्ये त्यावेळेस आपण काय देतो? कॉमा. ओके, हिअर इट इज टोल्ड अ लिस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स or list of places, list of animals, list of birds. To mention that list of animals, birds, things, that time we used which mark? We use comma. Okay, here it is now capital letter. Capital letter A, comma B, comma C. Every sentence begins with a capital letter. You know it very well. Whenever we write any sentence, those sentences begin with capital letter. Capital letter म्हणजे कोणते? कॅपिटल लेटर मधले A B C D असतात ना. कॅपिटल A, कॅपिटल B, कॅपिटल C till Z. Okay. Any sentence which we write that starts with capital letter. कोणतंही वाक्य लिहिताना आपण काय करतो? पहिला शब्द कॅपिटल लेटरमध्ये लिहितो. जर तुम्ही लिहित नसला तर लिहायला सुरुवात करा. ओके, दॅट इज युअर मिस्टेक इफ यू आर नॉट रायटिंग. नेक्स्ट वन इज here it is. Now example is given. My name is Rahul. M is what? Capital. Correct. The word I is always written in capital form. He and I are brothers. The first letter of names of a particular person, animals, places, birds, roads, buildings, books, months and days is written in capital form. For example, name of a person Rahul, capital letter. Mumbai, M capital. Apollo, circus, Apollo, A capital. Mumbai, M capital. Rahul, name of a person, R capital. What is this? Is Pancha Tantra, name of a book, P capital. January, name of a month, J capital. Sunday, name of a day, S capital. Understood? In this way there are some rules and regulations. When you write down sentence, in the end of the sentence, when the sentence is completed, at that time you give full stop. Okay. When you ask question in the sentence, at that time you give which mark? Question mark. Okay. If you want to mention the list of things or list of places, list of animals, list of birds, list of human beings, at that time you use comma in between. Okay. In punctuation marks it is told that when you write any sentence, the first letter of that sentence should be capital. Should be capital. It is compulsory. And I is one letter. I is one letter. When you write this letter in the sentences, at that time you cannot write like this. You and I. No, never you write like this. How you will write? You and I. Understood? You and I. Always I letter should be capital in the sentence. Understood? And when you take name of a person, name of a place, name of a कोणत्याही जागेचं नाव, मनुष्याचं नाव, प्राण्याचं नाव, बर्ड्सचं नाव, ते सुद्धा तुम्ही प्रत्येक वेळेस त्याचा पहिला लेटर जो असतो तो कॅपिटलमध्येच लिहून काढायचा आहे. ओके. These are some rules about punctuation marks. Now let us see what is there on next page. Here it is. Punctuate the following paragraph. What it is? Punctuate the following paragraph. Now here, I am Raju's neighbor and best friend. On my birthday, he gifted me books on Rapunzel, Road Riding Hood and Cinderella. Okay, now we will write down correct sentences. Okay, now here full stops are not given. Full stop दिलेला नाही, comma दिलेला नाही, त्याच्यामुळे ते वाचायला जरा अवघड जाते. Okay, now let us write. Now here I am writing first one sentence. I am Raju's neighbor. I should be capital. I am, R should be capital of Raju's. I am Raju's neighbor, N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R, neighbor, and best friend. Neighbor and best friend, full stop. What you have to give? You have to give full stop. Next one is, next sentence is, on my birthday, O capital, on my birthday, comma, he gifted me books and books on Rapunzel, Red Riding Hood and Cinderella, C capital. Next one, Raju's house is at the corner of Shivaji Marg and Petit Road. Shivaji Marg and Petit Road, full stop. Now next sentence, how does his father go to work? Full stop. Sentence completed, full stop. Next one, he often takes the train full stop. Okay, he often takes the train, full stop. Next sentence is, they drive the car only on Sundays. THEY, they drive the car only on Sundays. Sunday, full stop. They drive the car only on Sundays. S can be kept small. Only on Sundays in June. No, S should be capital. Name of a day it is Sunday. In June, J capital. In June, July, August and September. August and September, full stop. Next one, they don't use. Where it is, they don't use the car at all sometimes. They don't use the car at all sometimes. Comma, I also go out with Raju and his parents in their car. Full stop. We enjoy a lot. His father buys balloons. His father buys balloons, comma, ice creams and chocolates for us. Full stop. In this way we have completed our paragraph. Same paragraph, this paragraph, whatever paragraph is given here, तोच paragraph आपण खाली लिहिला आहे, पण तो व्यवस्थित फुल स्टॉप, कॅपिटल लेटर्स, कॉमास, क्वेश्चन मार्क हे सगळे टाकून लिहिलेले आहे. ओके, यू कॅन पॉज व्हिडिओ पॉज करून तुम्ही हे पूर्ण पॅरेग्राफ तुमच्या बुकमध्ये लिहू शकतात. ओके, यू कॅन राईट डाऊन इन बुक. अंडरस्टूड? And this much is enough for today. Punctuation marks, you have understood where to use full stop, where to use question mark, where to use comma. Okay, in short I will explain you again tomorrow, and we will start with new lesson of English grammar. Okay, and please prepare for examination on 2nd November. We are going to start with our exams. Okay, thank you.